Hello everyone, good morning. Hope you all are doing well. I started my day with a delicious breakfast, boiled Maggi with cheese and some extra ingredients for flavor. After that, I went to the library.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah.
I started feeling sleepy, so I went for a short walk to freshen up. Outside the library, I saw a little baby bird in really bad condition. I carefully placed it in a safe spot using some leaves to keep it comfortable. I also looked around for its nest but couldn't find one, so I went back to the library.